2019 Ford Explorer release date and price rumors. Now the 6th age-assembled 2019 Ford Explorer Hybrid is by and by under change. What we should know to date is that you will see a considerable measure of changes carried with this center of the estimating SUV hybrid. In view of an as-of-late accessible archive, the looming Explorer will ride with another D6 program that uses light materials including aluminum, while the current item is established on the old D4 stage presented considering the 2011. Counting the cutting-edge Explorer is affirmed to get more critical changes in contrast with the past age-assembled item. In any case, the most recent D6 framework will irrefutably rely upon a first side-wheel drive setup with all-of-wheel travel open as alternatively accessible as it were. The official discharge date stays to be obscure. Nonetheless, the 2019 Ford Explorer is anticipated to be on exchange inside the United States inside the second half of the new year or all around the summer season 2018. There might be yet another shot that this Dearborn carmaker will divulge the 6th time 2019 Explorer idea on the 2017 Los Angeles Auto Show, in addition to the Detroit Motor Show early the new year. The value name is anticipated to be unaffected through the present model, which begins off with an establishment MSRP of $32,605 and $54,180 for your platinum cut songs. You should search at the official costs data when the SUV had arrived on the US retailer's surface.